using rhyming words. Here are some examples of rhyming words. Hair, care, quit, wit, nightingale, tail, light, night. As you can see, all of these rhyming pairs end with the same sound. A rhyming couplet is a pair of lines that rhyme. Usually, both lines have the same rhythm and have rhyming words at the end of the sentence. Let's look at an example. Riya's a rebel with purple streaks in her hair. She's the coolest friend who likes to share and care. Now let's add another two lines. With a voice like a beautiful nightingale, she'll entertain you with songs and exciting tales. You can see that we now have 4 lines in our poem. A lot of classic poems are organized in verses of 4 lines. Therefore, we have completed our first verse.
Over here! Weird toothbrush axe thing! You? The one and only! That was not supposed to happen.
Now let's start our second verse. This time, our rhyming couplets are light and night. Riya is a force of creativity and light, a true hero in the world of night. Here are 2 more. With qualities like bravery, kindness, and wit, she looks after all the animals and will never quit. Let's have a look at some of them in detail. Nightingale. A nightingale is a small bird that lives in Europe with a beautiful bird song. Wit is the ability to understand and think quickly, normally associated with being funny. Now it's your turn to take over and write your own poem all about Riya.